Hello everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about the Wealthy Affiliate Program and website, and you're going to want to stay till the end, the very end, because at the end I am going to give my honest opinion on whether I think you should join Wealthy Affiliate. So the great thing about the Wealthy Affiliate Network is that you can start with literally nothing. You can kind of take it for a test drive, so to speak, and start at zero. They got two plans, a starter plan and a premium plan. The premium plan is going to be $49 a month, and your first month is going to be only $19. So after the first month, if you like, I want to just stay to the basics of Wealthy Affiliate, then you have that option, which is really nice. So you're gonna go over to Wealthy Affiliate, and you're gonna sign up. You're gonna sign up for a free account, and when you log in, this is where you're gonna be prompted. You're gonna go. Alright, so this is your dashboard. What's nice about the dashboard is there's people just like you and me who's just starting out, or there's blog posts on here, because with this program you get your own kind of blog, and you can just go through here, and people are asking questions, and you can help people out. People can help you out, which is very nice. 1 year with Wealthy Affiliate, she says, and people are engaging with her. So there's a lot you can really do. Now with the starter version, it is kind of limited, so to speak, but it's still really in-depth and good. And all these people you can connect with and build up your network. As you see right now, I literally just opened up my account. You can I got 8 in my network. I'm gonna be upgrading the premium. Actually, after I record this video, I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade to premium, and I'll say why in a little bit. And you see people launching their first site, so it's really nice. Alright, moving on to training, because this provides you training as well. You're going to get access with the starter version. You're going to get this Getting Started training course, and that's going to have 10 modules helping you get your first website up and running. And they're all really good, really in-depth, and you can read through it or you can watch the video. It's really up to you. These other ones that are grayed out, these are the premium courses. So with premium, you get access to a lot more courses and trainings. Alright, you get your affiliate bootcamp, which is the same thing. You get a certain number of trainings, and they're, like I said, they're all really in-depth, really high quality, and you're going to want to go through all of this and everything. So you can view your training activity and continue where you left off, so it kind of indexes where you were. The training headquarters is a premium feature, as you can see. But let's just go back. I accidentally clicked on. Let's go back to training. Now, classrooms. There's going to be live trainings. That's the premium feature. I kind of got mixed up a little bit. There's going to be live trainings weekly, so you can really get more information and learn. Websites. They are powered and hosted by WordPress, so you're going to get your own WordPress site. And all you got to do is press, create a new site, and you can create a new article, and they're going to teach you how to rank everything on the first page of Google and get traffic and do affiliate marketing the right way, which is really nice. So you get a certain amount for free. With the free version, you only get one site. With the premium, I believe it's 10, but I'm not sure. But it's still really cool. You get your own website and don't have to worry about hosting because they take care of everything. Moving on to live events, like I said, that's their weekly trainings, normally every Friday at around 7 p.m. You get this cool research tool. Now, it is a bit limited with the free version, as you only get 30 searches, as you see. But you get all these different, niche keyword lists, affiliate programs. That's all premium, but like these are all premium features right here. But with your free version, you can just do simple keyword search, and it'll help you kind of narrow down what you want to be talking about and help you rank on Google. Alright, moving on to the affiliate program section. They have a great affiliate program search, and they are able to kind of hook you up with and find these affiliate networks. And so you can search for like affiliate networks within whatever niche you're in. And what I suggest is, for your first site, you want it to be something that you're passionate about, because that's gonna make you want to really, really dive deep, and you're gonna want to dive deep into this and do this. As you see, a lot of ClickBank products, Rehab Scout, that's something else, but yeah, they got ClickBank, as you see here, and so they're kind of integrated with ClickBank in all these other places, but they got literally every niche you can talk about. There is a help center that you can go through and get help. You can you can send a private message with premium. You can have a live chat. Now, with they're a bit slower to get back to you with the starter version. If you have a premium membership, they're a lot faster at getting back to you, and you can simply ask a question, and there are people online all the time just waiting, just wanting to help. And it really does feel like a family within this, within the Wealthy Affiliate program. And if you go up here, you have a wallet where you can earn coins. You can earn coins here, and these coins can buy domains, buy your premium membership. You can buy a lot of different stuff with these wealth credits, as they call them. Alright, here you're going to be able to make even more money, and they're going to teach you how to promote the Wealthy Affiliate program. And you're going to, like I said, I just started, so I just have a little bit of clicks. I literally just put a quick Facebook post out last night, and you're going to get your affiliate link. They're going to show you some stats. Like I said, mine's pretty empty as of right now, except for I got 8 raw clicks to my link. And like I said, they got training for this. They got banners. You can view your referrals, and for your first, if you're on the starter, you're only going to make $4 for your first referral, and then each month, each referral, it's it's gonna gradually grow. It's more money, which is why I suggest that everybody goes with the premium version, and it's why I'm actually gonna be upgrading to premium right after this video. So, referrals per day. If you get 5 referrals a day at a 12% rate, and the average customer stays for 4 months, you're going to make $458 a month. If you get 50 referrals a day at a 12% rate, and they stay on 6 months on average, your monthly income is going to go up to $22,000. So it's a great way to make money, and I suggest everybody do this. Join today, get your free account, try it out, and like I said, to go premium, you're gonna save $30 on your first month. So why not give it a go? Give it a good month on premium, and if you don't like it, you can always go to this basic starter, where you still get a lot of really cool, really good tools to use. Why aren't you using this? So I think everybody should do this. I highly recommend it. They're one of the biggest platforms like this, if not the biggest. And I suggest you get started today. Don't waste time. So you may be asking, can I actually make money with this? Yes, you can make money. How much money? Well, that's going to depend on how much work you put in, how hard you work, how much content you put out. The harder you work, especially in the beginning, you're going to have to put some work in. But then, after a while, it's going to start to become passive. Meaning, you can literally make money while you sleep. So why not do this? That's my video for today on the Wealthy Affiliate kind of overview and review, and whether I think you should get it or not. If you do want to get this, I highly suggest you clicking that link down in the description below, and it's going to take you over to the create an account page, and you're going to be able to create an account and choose your plan, whether you want the free plan or whether you want the premium plan. Alright, so that's my video. Thank you for watching. If you liked, press like. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss all my Wealthy Affiliate upcoming trainings that I'm going to be doing. Stay tuned. Alright, thank you.